Here's how to export SupportAssist logs using iDRAC9. Enter the server IP address and log into iDRAC. If you chose a random default password when ordering, you'll find it on the pullout strip. Otherwise, the default is Calvin. Go to Maintenance, then SupportAssist. If prompted, complete the SupportAssist registration, or click Cancel to skip. Click Start a Collection, then select the information to include. System information, storage, and debug logs are always available. SupportAssist storage logs are equivalent to TTY or RAID logs. Gathering OS and application data requires iDRAC service module to be installed in the host OS and OS collector to be installed in iDRAC. Click Collect to begin. When complete, click OK and save the file. Thanks for watching.